Are you someone with dreams and aspirations for your life? Are you someone who is looking to find a way to get ahead? Perhaps you've been a victim of the shiny object syndrome, forever chasing things that offer the promise of making easy money, but you're forever being left disappointed. I know I have, and it's not a nice feeling. I want to assure you, however, that there is hope. Now, I'm not going to try and sell you a get-rich-quick scheme or the next shiny object, but I am going to let you know how I have been able to dig myself out of a bit of a hole in my life. You see, I've been trying to get back into my son's life after I was made redundant and I had to leave the country where he lives. It's been tough, what with the pandemic, the depressed state of the economy, and perhaps even my age going against me in the job market. I've done whatever I can to ensure that I continue to pay the bills, but I remain firmly fixed on my goal, which is to be back in my son's life. And what with all the money printing that keeps being printed out of thin air, life has definitely become more expensive, which hasn't helped. I want to, however, tell you about a little known product which has given me genuine hope for the future. Now, I realise that cryptocurrency is not for everyone. I get it. However, this product is different, so please hear me out. This product was literally designed to appreciate in value, and even if you are a crypto skeptic, you will appreciate its power. Yes, the price of the asset can fluctuate in value. However, if you know how to set it up with the right strategy that fits your needs and lifestyle, it can be life-changing. One of my biggest regrets is that I didn't invest in this sooner. It has literally changed many people's lives, and I am testament to the fact that it is starting to help change mine as well. And you don't need to have any crypto experience to benefit from it. I'm not under any illusion that real money is made overnight. However, with a longer-term perspective and my plan set, I can start to see a brighter future beginning to emerge. Now, it may not seem a big deal, but I have a couple of sizable bills that have to be paid around this time each year to ensure that my son's education continues without disruption, regardless of my situation. 3 months ago, I scraped together a small amount of crypto that I had accumulated and put it into this product. For such a short period of time, having these funds invested, it has been quite amazing. In fact, when I turn the crypto back into pounds, I stand to more than quadruple my money. Plus, I will even receive some interest. This will be a big relief, as I'll now be able to pay the bills, which will be one less thing to worry about. Now, this is a short-term example that gives you an idea how the product has worked for me. However, my overall plan is that I have a series of small investments further out into the future for key dates when I know that some extra money will come in handy. My son has set himself up as well, with his investments maturing on his 16th, 18th and 21st birthdays. Being able to compound up to 40% a year in interest, plus bonuses, are also amazing features that can make a big difference to being able to grow a relatively small amount of money over time. Plus, as the value of the asset is designed to appreciate, it's a win-win. I am mindful of the money that I have, but in hindsight I have tried some reckless strategies in the past where I have taken on too much risk in the hope that I would make quick money. But more often than not, this didn't work out in my favour. I'm also aware that scams exist in the crypto space, but having done extensive research on this product, and now having used it for about 1 year, I can honestly say that it does exactly what it says on the tin. In fact, it has way surpassed my expectations. I really like the idea of having less stress with what can be a somewhat volatile place to invest, and I'm grateful that I took the time to really understand and appreciate this product. It launched less than 2 years ago, and many lives have been changed as a direct result of getting involved. Because it's still so new, it is pre-viral, meaning that not many people know about it, and as such, it still has massive potential ahead. Because I'm so enthralled by this crypto product, I really want to tell the world about it, and as such, I have created Tokenomics 2.0. Tokenomics 2.0 is a deep dive into this product and a step-by-step guide. Even if you have no crypto experience, or you aren't a crypto fan, you can still learn how to use it and benefit from it. The crypto space is the one area where the average person can invest and get ahead. In general, crypto can be undoubtedly risky, so it's not for everyone. However, the product that I talk about in this course can give you the exposure without the headaches. The way I see it is, the biggest risk is just sitting on the sidelines watching and doing nothing. If you flat out dismiss the idea of getting involved in digital assets, you could be missing the opportunity of a lifetime and be stuck in the rat race for life. So, you have a choice. You can either sit on the sidelines and watch as people are able to change their lives for the better, or you can choose to make a small, one-time payment to invest in your own financial education and really kickstart your path to financial freedom. It couldn't be more simple. Just click on the buy button below and I will see you on the other side.